In Ghana, the production of electricity largely depends on the use of thermal and hydro energy, but the unstable grid makes the supply of power unreliable and the cost astronomically high. To provide an alternative power supply solution, Stella Futura is providing the Rebecca Foundation, spearheaded by Ghana's First Lady, Mrs. Rebecca Akufo-Addo, to provide dependable and stable electricity for the new pediatric intensive care unit at the Korle Bu Teaching Hospital using the world's leading technology that guarantees lower cost and environmental safety.
Sub-Saharan Africa is the region with the most critical need for power, and we have the most abundant solar irradiation. However, a lot of our customers here are unable to finance the high cost of a solar system. That is why we at Stella, apart from the direct sales of the equipment, we also offer our solar solution combined with a finance lease that completely removes the upfront cost of the customer.
Stella Futura's partnership provides high-quality solar energy solutions to decrease the monthly bill for the unit, a state-of-the-art storage solution, as well as safe, reliable and sustainable electricity for specifically chosen applications during nighttime. We use a central energy unit to link the solar panels to a state-of-the-art lithium-ion battery, which will store the energy and provide stable power.
Solar energy isn't really a new phenomenon, and the technology itself isn't rocket science. So I think that in the case of solar, it's not necessarily product innovation that needs to be focused on. We already have the technology, but I think that businesses need to focus more on business model innovation and trying to come up with new and efficient ways of bringing the technology to those who need it the most. And that's exactly what Stella is doing here in Ghana.
Our system is configured to accept power input from other sources like the grid or diesel generators. Because Stella's energy solution is decentralized with modular components, a broken part will never compromise the system's performance. It only takes up to 4 to 5 hours of maintenance yearly. This energy system is a direct solution to Ghana's energy issues because it triumphs over erratic power supply that continues to plague the country's access to energy.
The Stella solution is not just a solar system. We apply a very client-focused approach where we combine our product offering with the knowledge of our energy solution experts who possess immense market and technology experience in order to create tailor-made solutions for each individual installment and need.
At Stella, we offer both off-grid and hybrid energy solutions for a wide variety of end users who are looking for clean energy produced by a stable, safe and reliable power source.
Our solar PV system offers locally produced energy, storage system management, delivery, installation and facility management training. Compared to energy from the national grid, which cost the pediatric unit at Korle Bu $6,333 a year, our solution cuts the price drastically to $1,165, saving $5,168.
So today we're here at the inauguration of the new pediatric intensive care unit at Korle Bu Teaching Hospital in Accra. Her Excellency, the First Lady of the Republic of Ghana, Mrs. Rebecca Akufo-Addo, has just officially opened the building, and we're excited as this means that we have our first Stella energy solution up and running in Ghana.
At Stella, we guarantee lower prices, reliable energy, and sustainable solutions that power a greener, healthier Earth for future African generations.